We are happy to announce that the days of using Muggle Pay to order your Helium miner are officially over. Bobcat has recently updated their checkout procedures to include very intuitive Coinbase and Binance processes. These new checkout processes work very well and account for any network fees, so the risks of entering it incorrectly and losing your hard-earned money is no longer a concern. Let's jump right in and go through the Coinbase checkout process right now. Hey everybody, welcome back to another video here on the Crypto Compound channel. Today we are going to run through how you order this Bobcat miner through Coinbase. The Bobcat team has gotten rid of the previous process through Muggle Pay, which, if you're not aware, Muggle Pay is not a very good and reliable service or service provider. So we're very happy to see that they've moved away, and now they have Coinbase and Binance integrated into the payout process, and it works really well. We will go through step by step in this video, and I will myself be ordering my own just to show you how it is done. Before we get into the video, I want to touch on two things. One of them being this chart here. This is the HNT daily chart. Of course, crypto has had a big pullback recently. However, we have recovered a few percentage points since the worst of it yesterday. I'm going to be talking about this chart and what I've been noticing in the broader cryptocurrency charts in either my next video or the video after that. So stay tuned. But I think there's reason to be much more optimistic than some might think in these charts. So we'll get into that in another video. The other thing that I wanted to touch on, which I will put a picture of right here, is recent scams in the comments. These people are trying to get the subscribers to the channel and viewers of the channel to contact them. They are claiming to have miners for sale. Anything you see like this is a scam. Please, please, please do not acknowledge it. Do not reach out to them. There's a total scam. They are just trying to steal your money. I keep reporting them and hiding them from the channel, but they are relentless and they keep coming back. So there's going to be a link directly to the Bobcat website in the description below. That will be a valid link directly to Bobcat. It's not a spam site, or it's nothing like that, because there have been fake websites created that try to make you think that you're ordering a Bobcat miner as well. Those also are scams. The link below will take you directly to the official Bobcat miner website. Now, that link in the description is also an affiliate link, so I do get a small piece of commission if you do purchase through that link. It costs you nothing and would really help out the channel, and I would really, really appreciate it. I would also like to note, before we get into the step-by-step process of ordering your Bobcat miner, one of the reasons why the Bobcat has been one of the most popular and most reliable Helium miners is because of their incredible manufacturing and distribution process. On Twitter here, you can see they're already on batch 7 of their Helium miner shippings, which is rather incredible. A lot of these other companies only have batches going out maybe once or twice a month. Bobcat has been distributing batches out at incredible speed, which is really, really great to see. Their miner has also been performing extremely well in different tests that have been conducted, so that it is no surprise that their miner is one of the most popular ones right now, and it is also one of the only ones right now that are still accepting orders and shipping them out weekly and monthly. So let's jump in. Now, as you see here, this is the product page for the Bobcat miner. We do have to choose a model. Currently, the North America and EU versions are available, so I will be choosing the North America version as I am located in the United States. I will buy it now. Of course, here, terms and conditions, we are going to agree, and we're going to move to the next step. Now, I will enter my information here, and we will continue to shipping. Now, of course, shipping method, the only one available is drop shipping. I will not be flying to China to pick this up, so we will continue to payment. Now, you'll see here, this is where it is changed. Now, we can see that there is a Coinbase Commerce widget actually integrated into the checkout process, which is awesome. I will complete the order and it brings us here. You guys will see this page, and this is where you will pay via Coinbase or whatever you or whichever wallet you're using it from. Now you could click USD coin here, and you can see that it says to make payment, send USD coin to the address below. It tells you the exact amount and it tells you the address. So these buttons here, and it also comes up and shows we are actively monitoring the network for your payment. So once it's sent and received, it will process. Now what happens here is they give you these nice copy to clipboard buttons, so you know you're copying the entire address. You will click copy to clipboard, and then you will go over to wherever your Coinbase wallet is. Mine happens to be in Coinbase Pro here. I will click withdraw in Coinbase Pro, and I'm going to withdraw USD coin. Now I'm going to also select to a crypto address because that's where I am sending it. And the address, I will select paste, and I will click use this address. And it assures me that it's a valid USDC address, which is great. I'm going to go back now to this page, and I'm going to actually copy now the amount, and I will go back to Coinbase Pro, and I will paste in the amount here. Now, the major benefit as opposed to using MugglePay is now you can see that the network fee is actually included here, so you do not have to do any calculations. You just enter the amount you are sending, which is 57.16 USDC. It will account for the network fee, and it will debit your account for the amount you're sending plus the fee. So there is no calculation needed. It assures you that you will be sending the amount and you will just pay the network fee as needed, which is what we have to do here. And I am going to click withdraw. I have two-factor authentication set up on my account, as I hope everyone does. So I will enter that number now. Your withdrawal has started here. We are going to wait now for the network to receive the payment. As you can see, the Bobcat website now has realized that a payment is being sent, and it is going through the steps. Right now it's at 1 of 8 confirmations, now 2 of 8 confirmations. I would also suggest just adding your email below, as that is always helpful to receive your receipt. We are now at 6 of 8 confirmations, 7 of 8, and there you go, payment complete. So guys, I hope that this video helped you or reassured you that the checkout process is safe and secure. If you guys have any questions, please let me know below. I will keep you updated on the status of my order. And again, here's just the chart of Helium. We will get into this in one of the future videos. If you found this information helpful, please like and subscribe. It would mean a lot. Thank you guys so much. I will see you next video.